guys, Edgy21, welcome to my channel. Today is my birthday, getting old now, just turned 31. So a couple of the gifts I've got, other than Dollar, we're going to open today. So got some Ultra Prism, so we've got 3 packs of them to open. And then I have Mega Beedrill EX. Woo! So this does look cool. So we got 6 boosters, Beedrill, EX Mega Beedrill, badge, coin. Let's crack her open. Let's see what, I don't know what packs are in this, I didn't look properly. I think there was a Fates Collide and a Steam Siege on the far side. As per usual, everything is stuck in super well. Start with the coin. So, it's ready to go. So, the Beedrill coin. I need to make these packs better so you can actually get cards out without wrecking them. Or wrecking your hand. So we have got a very nice Beedrill EX card. Very nice. And we also have a Mega Beedrill EX. So that's cool. Then of course we have the obligatory Jumbo card. I really don't know what to do with these. I've got a stash of them somewhere. Probably have to try and display them somewhere. Find some space. Then of course we have the awesome, I really like the pin. The pin was one of the main things in it that I really liked. It's got a little Beedrill pin. And then we have 6 packs. So we have a Steam Siege, a Fates Collide, a Breakthrough, a Breakthrough, a Steam Siege, and a Fates Collide. And then what do we have hidden here? Spirit Link. Beedrill Spirit Link. That's cool. Very good. So, we got 9 packs to open. Shall we jumble them all up a little bit? Steam Siege, Fates Collide, Breakthrough, Ultra Prism, do it that way, and then we're going to have 2 Ultra Prisms at the end. Okay, crack into these. So start with a Steam Siege. I did find my original Pokemon collection yesterday, but I don't know where I've left it. There's nothing good in there though, I was a bit heartbroken really. There we have Special Charge, a Clang. Why would you focus on Clang? There we go. We have a Steelix Spirit Link, a Fungus, Nidoran, an Ushawit, focus, come on camera, come on. So slow at focusing. A Portland, no idea. A Tangler. We have a Talonflame Break card. Very nice. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of break cards. And then our rare is a Probus. We got a break. I think people are a bit hit and miss on break cards. So, Fates Collide now. Fates collide. So we have a Zygarde, an Onomite, a Windlock, a Snivy, a Fennekin, a Jigglypuff, a Riolu, a Seal. Our reverse is a Brixion. And then our rare is a non-hollow Mr. Mime. Oh, do love Mr. Mime. Don't know why, it's just so cool. What have we got now? Breakthrough. Did we do Breakthrough first? That's Team Siege. So Breakthrough. So I've got some Forbidden Light Japanese packs coming, but I'm not sure how long they'll take to get here because they are travelling from Japan. Okay, what do we have here? Stonefish. A Buddy Rescue. A Town Map. A Ghastly. How ghastly he is. Doduo. Still don't have a Dodrio in Pokemon Go. It's not going well. A Paris. A Staryu. So many Staryus and Starmies in these packs. A Skidoo. Our reverse is this a reverse rare? No, it's not. So maybe is a Go-Goat. I've never seen this Pokemon before in my life. And our rare is a Floorgrass? Another Pokemon I'm not 100% sure of. So yeah, not too bad. I suppose I should have separated that break card out, which I've now lost. So, Ultra Prism. Now this set genuinely hates me. I've opened a lot of packs. Got 4 decent pulls out of it, I think. So, we shall see. So, hand-picked by the wife. So, we'll see how lucky they are. And Sun and Moon, so it's 4 cards. Shall we guess the energy? Fighting. Leonhardt would have got that, boom, straight away. Psychic. We have a Tortonator. A Mount Cornet. A Hunchcrow. Sanover. A Hippopotamus. Get ready to brush his teeth. A Shinx. A Jupiter. A Gibble. I feel like I get a Gibble in like every single pack that I get. Stupid Pokemon. The reverse is a Yanma. And our rare is a Garchomp. Next, we are back to a bit of Steam Siege. Siege, was that a good film? I can't remember. There it was. Siege. Back to just 3 cards. We have a Lampet, a Holucha, a Tangrowth. Focus on the Tangrowth. You refuse to focus, I hate you. A Dino. A Candle. A Nose Pass. A Chimchar. A Nidoran. Our reverse is a Mankey. And our rare is an Amoonguss. An Amoonguss Foongus. Okay, breakthrough. Breakthrough. Still 3. We have ice cream. Bridget Nielsen. A Seaking. A Pikachu. A Pikachu and you Pikachu me. A Magnemite. A Snubble. Weird little creature. Snubble. We have a Remoraid. A Doduo. Our reverse is a Swablu. And our rare is a Bravery. Sorry, people messaging me. Okay, Fates Collide. And then we'll finish on 2 Ultra Prism. And see if we can get anything. But I doubt we can. We have a Wormden. A Fossil Excavation Kit. An Alakazam Spirit Link. I love a Spirit Link. And this camera loves not to focus. We have a Seal. A Fennekin. A Carbink. Oh, look at that. A Dealing on the cute. Focus on the cuteness. There you go. It's taking like 3 years to focus on something. Bronzor. The reverse is a Bent Spoon. And our rare is an Omister, who is clearly just on the hunt for something. I don't know what he's looking for. He's out on the prowl. Out on the prowl. It's amazing like how quickly it's gaining cards in this thing. So, Ultra Prism, 2 packs to go. Let us see what we can do. We're going to go water. Thank you. Cynthia, but not the one everyone wants. Although I do have the one that everybody wants. A Cosmog. A Bronzong. Oh look, a Gibble. 1 of a million. A Roselia. A Chimchar. A Perushi. A Scorpion, who's really angry at that plant. Our reverse is a Luxio. And our rare is a Palkia GX. Packs. Look at that. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. So we're up to five pulls from Ultra Prism. Woo! No golden tickets yet. So last pack. Leafeon. See if you can do it. I have got the Leafeon, but not the rainbow rare one. I have the other one. I can't remember what it's called. The icy one. Got that. Leaf. Fire. Oh, burns leaves. A looker who is looking for the focus on my camera, I hope. Focus. There we go. A Sheldon. An order pad. A Pajmin. Oh, put it in the right place. A Shinx. No sign of a Gibble yet. We're going to be doing well here. Oh, a Carvine. Do you like a Carvine? Everyone wants a Venus flytrap. A Murkrow. A Magnemite. It's a nice card, I like that. Our reverse is a Cresselia. And our rare is a holo rare Torterra. So yeah, that's all the cards with this video. So we got quite a few. Not too bad. So probably going to give some code cards away thinking about it. That's this one for. I'll keep that one. Let's go for it. So there's a, if it will focus, a Fates Collide, a Breakthrough. I've got a few more over here. Let's give a couple more away, shall we? So let me know in the comments what anyone gets. Should we keep that one? I don't know what. Sod it. Let's give them all away. So there is Ultra Prism, Steam Siege, Breakthrough, Ultra Prism, Steam Siege, Ultra Prism, and a Fates Collide. So there you go, guys. That's the video. Hopefully there might be some more coming soon. Sure, I'll see you around. Say anyone picks up anything good, let me know what you get in the comments, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.